Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your GreytHR employee account. GreytHR is a useful tool for effectively managing employee data, payrolls, income tax declaration, and attendance management among other features. To log in into your GreytHR account, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for GreytHR Employee Login. You can see the interface here as a result and click on the first one, GreytHR Login, or you guys can type in www.greathr.com. It will take you to the login page of GreytHR, and over here it says login to GreytHR. Find out the GreytHR URL for your company. Here, type your official email or phone number which you had used for registering to GreytHR and click on I'm not a robot and click on search. It will search your email address and redirect you to the page where you can access your GreytHR account. So that's how you can log in into your GreytHR employee account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.